Welcome to SoSoValue's Furry News Studio. I'm your host and CIO, SoCaddis. Brings you the latest crypto market updates with max personality. Let's go through the crypto news worth paying attention today according to SoSoValue. The first is, BTC has broken through $90,000, currently quoted at $90,743, with a daily increase of 3.84%. This is the first time BTC has returned above $90,000 since March 7. Next news. DeFi Development Corporation announced on April 22, 2025, that it had purchased approximately 88,164 Solana tokens, valued at about 11.5 million USD, increasing its total SOL holdings to 251,842 tokens, which are worth approximately 34.4 million USD at current prices. Crucially, the open interest in Bitcoin derivatives markets has surged to a 2-month high, reflecting strong bullish sentiment among traders, with a futures contango state signaling investors' confidence in rising prices. MicroStrategy's CEO Michael Saylor announced an additional purchase of 6,556 Bitcoins, bringing the total holdings to 538,200 Bitcoins. Japan's Metaplanet company also increased its Bitcoin holdings by 330 coins. Bitcoin ETF inflows have significantly rebounded, reflecting a restoration of confidence among traditional financial investors. Next news. The Federal Court of Australia overturned the previous ruling against the crypto lending platform Block Earner, determining that its Earner product did not violate local financial laws and ordered the securities regulator ASIC to bear all legal costs. The court ruled that the product is essentially a fixed-term loan agreement, rather than a licensed financial investment product. Despite the victory, Block Earner stated that it currently has no plans to relaunch the product in the Australian market. Next news. Cross-chain interoperability project Analog announced the completion of a $15 million fundraising through token sales, with Boltz Capital participating in the subscription, bringing its total financing to $36 million. Next news. ZK Sync developer Matter Labs has been sued by the now-defunct blockchain company BankX, accusing it of intellectual property theft. BankX alleges that 2 former employees used company resources to privately establish Matter Labs during their involvement in the Plasma project and appropriated the company's technology. Matter Labs denies all allegations, stating that ZK Sync is independently developed technology and that the lawsuit is baseless. The case has been submitted to the New York State Supreme Court. Next news. DAO governance infrastructure provider Tally announced the completion of an $8 million Series A funding round, led by AppWorks and Blockchain Capital. Next news. After repeatedly lashing out at Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell for being slow to act and even threatening to fire him, former U.S. President Donald Trump has made a sudden reversal. In response to a reporter's question in the Oval Office, Trump firmly stated, "Absolutely not. Never." He emphasized that although he remains dissatisfied with the Fed's delay in cutting interest rates, he has no intention of dismissing Powell. Trump's remarks appear to be a direct response to long-standing speculation and signal a subtle shift in his stance on monetary policy. Notably, he still stressed that now is a perfect time to cut rates, continuing to pressure the Fed. Perfect! Next news. 3 sources familiar with the matter revealed that Brandon Lutnick, son of U.S. Commerce Secretary Howard Lutnick, is partnering with SoftBank, Tether, and Bitfinex to launch a Bitcoin acquisition platform. The new firm, 21 Capital, raised $200 million in January and plans to buy $3 billion worth of Bitcoin-owned $0.5 billion from Tether, $900 million from SoftBank, and $600 million from Bitfinex. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe and share the news to your friends. See you tomorrow.